Hello, I'm back again. Welcome to 180 Day 71. The next option for you in moving forward past your 80 days, we talked yesterday about the 2 different Evolve programs. We talked about doing the 180 all again. We talked about making sure you have a coaching call on day 74 to talk about these options and make sure we choose the best one for you. And the next one we're going to add is called Crave Check. Crave Check is an 8-week program that we've developed that is for those of you who want to make this even easier. Okay, so if you don't want to choose from all these columns of protein and carbohydrates and fruits and vegetables and fats, and you just want us to do it all for you and just have it done, then this is going to be a great program for you, because I have completed this meal by meal. Every recipe that I've included, and I'm a simple cook, no complicated recipes, but I've made it very simple for 8 weeks. All you have to do is prep once a week. It's all done. If I have done a recipe like the shrimp jambalaya, that's probably the most complicated one that's on there in all of the 8 weeks, then we include the recipe for you, so you'll know exactly how to do it. But some of them are just peanut butter and apples, or a meal replacement shake, or Greek yogurt with Slim or Oasis, and they're very simple, but they're designed for you to continue to be losing weight and incorporating an Advocare product regimen that uses that Crave Check that we love so much, and also incorporating our Carb Ease as well, because I am upping the level of carbohydrates just a little bit, and here's why. Your metabolism has increased. The fire burning inside of you, and that's your metabolism, is burning hotter. And we can start adding a little bit more on it, and your body's going to burn it up and continue to increase your metabolism. We can't keep carbs out forever. And so we need you to be able to continue to lose, and then eventually to maintain being able to eat some carbohydrates. So this is a great progression forward. You can use this program as a weight loss program, or you can up it a portion size and use it as a maintenance program. If you are a picky eater, this program is probably not for you, because I have decided specifically each and every meal, I do not want you switching breakfast for lunch or dinner for meal 2, because I have tapered off carbohydrates throughout the day, and there's a method to my madness. I have put protein in specific meals throughout the day. I have put fats in specific weeks, and some weeks have more fat and less carbs, and some weeks have more carbs and less fats. You can't be changing things around, or you won't know what you're changing, and it will affect the effectiveness of your program. So just trust that it's put there for a very, very good reason for you to get the best results. Now, in this program, we do not include a workout program. And so you might have a personal trainer that you work with, you might have your own workouts that you do, or maybe you don't work out that much. Maybe you love yoga, or maybe you love a dance class, or maybe you're out doing walks or gardening and kind of have your own thing going on for your workouts or your activity level. That's great, because this program is designed to give you your Advocare regimen for your nutritional support and your nutrition density, and to keep boosting your metabolism and giving you the energy that you need and the immune system support, and then your meal plan, so that you can continue to learn and get educated and continue to follow something that gives you structure and regimen. So, Crave Check, just for a recap, doesn't give you workouts, but it gives you a step-by-step, meal-by-meal, complete meal plan for 8 weeks, no burn and refuel. It's a little bit different, so you won't be doing the burn, refuel, and the cut days. It will be steady throughout the week. You only prep one time for the whole week, and then you get a new menu the next week. That's Crave Check. It's a great program, and it might be the program that's right for you.